So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 14, statistics. So let us start with the first question. The range of the data. The range of the data is given 12, 25, 15, 18, 17, 20, 22, 6, 16, 11, 8, 19, 10, 30, 20, 32. Which is the lowest value? 6,
6.
right? And the highest value, maximum value is 32. So range क्या होता है? Highest value minus lowest value और maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value is 32, minimum value is 6. So the range is maximum value minus minimum value, that is 32 minus 6. So we are getting 26. And the final option is option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 2. The class mark of the class 100 to 120 is dash. So what is the formula for finding class mark? Class mark upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Here lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So we will add these two numbers, 120 plus 100 by 2. So 220 by 2. So we are getting 110. And the correct option is option B. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In the class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, the number 20 is included in which class? 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So actually this is the continuous form of frequency distribution, that is exclusive form. And in exclusive form, we are not including the upper limit. Okay, we are including only the lower limit. So that means the number 20 is included in this class, 20 to 30. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the correct option is option B. Now we are moving towards question number 4. In a frequency distribution, the mid value of a class is 10 and the width of each class is 6, right? So mid value is given 10 and the class size is given 6. So what we will do, lower limit के लिए क्या करेंगे, mid value में इसका half minus करेंगे, upper limit के लिए add करेंगे, right? So lower limit 10 minus 6 by 2. So 6 by 2 is 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 7 is the lower limit of the class. अगर इसी क्वेश्चन में upper limit पूछा होता तो 10 plus 6 by 2, right? So that is 10 is equals to 10 plus 3. We will get 13. अगर upper limit पूछा होता इसी क्वेश्चन में. So our correct option here is option B. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 5. The mid value of a class interval is 42 and the class size is 10. Right? Mid value is 42, class size is 10. So just now I told you that for lower limit we have to subtract the half of class size from the mid value, that is class mark. Mid value means class mark. Okay? So 42 minus 10 by 2 is the lower limit. 10 by 2 is 5. So 42 minus 5 is 37. Now for upper limit we have to add 42 plus 10 by 2. That is 42 plus 5. That is 47. So the required class is 37 to 47. And the correct option is
Option A.
option A, right? So now we are moving toward question number 6. The width of each of the 5 continuous class in a frequency distribution is 5. And the lower class limit of the lowest class is 10. The upper class limit of the highest class is. So class width is given 5. Okay. And the lower class of the lower class limit of the lowest class is 10. Right. So देखो 10 से ध्यान से देखो class width 5 दिया हुआ है तो 10 to 15 हो जाएगा. Right. अब इसमें 5 ऐड करते जाओ. 20, 25, 30, 35. So this is the last class क्योंकि 5 classes बोला है. I am writing only the upper limits because only upper class limit is the question. So the correct option is 35. उसको हम लोग कुछ ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, लोअर लिमिट में 5 into 5 ऐड करने से आ जाएगा, because the class size is given 5 and total class is 5. So 10 plus 5 into 5, right? So 10 plus 25, that is equals to 35, and the correct option is C. Now we are moving toward question number 7. The class marks of a frequency distribution are 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. The class corresponding to the class mark 20 is. So we have to find the class of that class whose class mark is 20, right? Class size is 5 because 20 minus 15, ये जो increase हो रहा है 15 के plus 5 हो रहा है, देखो यहाँ पे. This is an AP. Okay, it is increasing uniformly by 5. So the class size is 5 we got, and these are the class mark, and we have to find with respect to 20. So 20 में क्या करेंगे, class size का half एक बार add करेंगे, एक बार subtract करेंगे. Subtract करेंगे तो lower class मिलेगा, add करेंगे तो upper class मिलेगा, right? So lower limit is equals to 20 minus 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 is 2.5, 20 minus 2.5 is 17.5. Now the upper limit is 20 plus 5 by 2. So 20 plus 2.5 is 22.5. So the required class is 17.5 to 22.5, and the correct option is B. Any doubt here in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 8. Let M be the midpoint and U be the upper class limit of a class in a continuous frequency distribution. The lower class limit of the class is dash. So mid value is given M and the upper limit is given U, and the mid value is nothing but it is class mark. And what is the formula for class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is equals to class mark, that is M. So lower limit we have to find, lower class limit, and upper class limit it is given U. So हम लोग इसके जगह पे U substitute कर लेंगे. Now cross multiply, it will become 2M. So lower limit plus U is equals to 2M. Now shift U to this side. So we'll get 2M minus U. This is the required answer, and the correct option is
Option A.
option A, right. Now we are moving toward next question, question number 9. Let L be the lower class boundary of a class in a frequency distribution, and M is the midpoint of the class. Midpoint means class mark. Which one of the following is the upper class boundary of the class? So अभी जैसे सॉल्व किए तो सेम वही स्टेप्स हम लोग लिखेंगे. Mid value is M, lower limit is given L, and we know the formula for class mark, that is midpoint of the class, is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 is equals to M. M is the class mark it is given. So now L plus U upon 2 is equals to M. फिर से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, we'll get 2M. Now in this time we will shift L to this side. So we'll get U is equals to 2M minus L. This is the answer, and the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. So now we are moving towards question number 10. Class mark and the class size of the class interval are 25 and 10 respectively. Then the class interval is dash. So class size is given 10 and class mark is given 25. So just now this type of questions we did. इसका class size का जो half है, class mark से subtract करेंगे तो lower limit मिलेगा. If we add, then we'll get upper limit. So first we will find lower limit. So 25 minus 10 by 2. So this will become 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20. Now the upper limit 25 plus 10 by 2. So this will become 5. So 25 plus 5 is 30. So required class is 20 to 30. And the correct option is
Option A.
option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 11. Class mark of first class interval is 5 and there are 5 classes. If the class size is 10, then the last class interval is dash. So class width is given 10, okay, and class mark of first class is given 5. ये ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट क्लास ले चुके हैं हम लोग को बाकी के फोर क्लासेस इसमें और ऐड करना है, ठीक है। सो हम लोग इसमें 5 + 10 × 4 करेंगे। अगर 10 × 5 करेंगे तो 6th क्लास में चला जाएगा। सो 5 + 40 दैट इज 45। दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम लोग एक क्लास ऑलरेडी ले लिए ना, ये एक क्लास और ले लिए और ये बाकी के 4 क्लास हो गए, right? So total 5 classes. Similarly, up now we have to subtract the half of class width, that is 5, to get lower limit, and we have to add 5 to get the upper limit. So first lower limit 45 minus 5, that is 40, and upper limit 45 plus 5, that is 50, and the required class is 40 to 50, and the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right? So now we are moving toward question number 12. In a frequency distribution, the class width is 4 and the lower limit of the first class is 10. There are 6 classes. The upper limit of the last class is dash. Question clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So ये similar question है जो already हम लोग कर चुके हैं. So class width is given 4 and the lower class limit of the lowest class, that is first class, is given 10. Okay. So अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अपर लिमिट के लिए 6 क्लासेस है, सो 4 × 6 करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। देखो ध्यान से, इसको ऐसे करके दिखला रहा हूँ मैं। 10 to 14, अब ये 14 में ऐड करते जाओ, 4 4, नेक्स्ट इज 18, नेक्स्ट 22, नेक्स्ट 26, नेक्स्ट 30, लास्ट 6th 34। सो ये होगा हम लोग का अपर लिमिट ऑफ द लास्ट क्लास। टोटल 6 क्लासेस है, तो ये हम लोग को मिलेगा 10 + 4 × 6, 10 + 4 × 6, so this is 24 plus 10 is 34, and the correct option is option D, right? So now we are moving toward question number 13. The class mark of a distribution are 15, 20, 25, 45. The class corresponding to 45 is dash, right? तो यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो क्लास साइज कितना है, 5. Class size is 5 and class mark is given 45. So what we will do, we will subtract the half of class size from the class mark to get the lower limit. So lower limit is equals to 45 minus 5/2. 5/2 2.5 होता है. So 45 minus 2.5 is 42.5. Now for upper limit we have to add. So 45 plus 2.5 is 47.5, and the required class is 42.5 to 47.5. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right? So now we are moving toward the next question. The number of hours for which students of particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the graph given below. Here, answer the question from 14 to 18. So this is 14th question. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? See, this is hours. सबसे हाईएस्ट कौन सा है? ये 32. ये कौन से रेंज में है?
4 to 5 hours.
Right, 4 to 5 hours. So correct option is A. Now the next question: how many students watched TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours मतलब this one, and this one. We have to add.
34 students.
कितने? 34 students, right? And the correct option is B. Next question: how many students spent more than 5 hours in TV watching? More than 5 hours. ये ऐड करना है.
Okay.
Correct answer is 14.
Option A.
Option A, right? Now the next question, 7th question: for how many hours did the minimum number of students watch TV?
1 to 2.
1 to 2, right? The correct option is C. Last question. How many students spent less than 5 hours in TV watching? Less than 5 hours. यहाँ से यहाँ तक पूरा ऐड करना है. 32 plus 22 plus 8 plus 4.
66.
66. Very good. And the correct option is D. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. 19 to 20. Study the bar graph given in figure. Answer the question that follows. In which month was the sale minimum?
May.
May. Right. The correct option is B. Next question. What is the ratio between minimum sale and maximum sale? So what is the minimum sale?
May.
May. What is the number for minimum sale?
50.
50. Right. 50. And the maximum is
300.
300. So 50 divided by, एक मिनट है ना, ये दोनों के बीच में 325 ले लें. ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में आएगा 50. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now if you divide it by 25, so here we are getting 2 and here we are getting 1, 5, 15. एक मिनट, इसमें करेक्शन कर लेते हैं हम लोग. इसको बेटर है, थोड़ा सा और मैं एक्सटेंड कर देता हूँ. सो वी विल टेक 350. ठीक है, 350 ले रहे हैं. सो 50 और 350 रेशियो
1:7.
1:7. तो करेक्शन मैंने ग्राफ में किया है, थोड़ा सा मैंने एक्सटेंड कर दिया. राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Direction 21 to 22. Look at the bar graph and answer the following question. What was the temperature at 9 a.m.?
60.
Yes, 60. And the correct option is option B. What is the ratio? Find the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature of the day. So maximum कितना है?
80.
80. Minimum
20.
30. बीच में है ना, 30. So 80 minus 30 is
50.
50. And the correct option is B. Right. Now the next question we are moving toward direction 23 to 25. Observe the histogram given below and answer the following questions. How many teachers is of 160 centimeter or above 160 centimeter height? यहाँ से यहाँ तक काउंट करना है पूरा. सो एक मिनट, यहाँ पे नंबर लिख लेते हैं. 7, 6, 5, 3 है ना.
21.
कितना आ रहा है?
21.
21. And the correct option is C. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. How many teachers have the height below 160? Below 160 means ये दोनों का मेजर करना है. 5, 3,
8.
8. And the correct option is D1. Which interval has maximum teachers?
160 to 165.
Yes, 160 to 165. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Direction for 26 to 27. The number of hours for some students of particular class watched television during holidays as shown through a graph given below. For how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV?
4.
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5. Right. ये repeat हो गया है ना. Next, how many students spent more than 5 hours? This is 5 hours in TV watching. 8 यहाँ पर है. And what is this? 6. ठीक है, 14. And the correct option is A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. The weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given below. So 30 workers का wages दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. How many workers are receiving less than 860 as weekly wages? So 360 से कम. चलो यहाँ से काउंट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. और कोई छूटा है?
No, sir.
Right. So the correct answer is
Option A.
option A, that is 23. Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 29 and question number 30. A grouped frequency distribution table with class interval of equal size is using 250 to 270 as one of the class interval is constructed for the following data. The frequency of the class 310 to 330 is dash. So 310 to 330 we will include 310 but we will not include 330. So let us count from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 और कोई छूटा है देखो. Anything is left?
No, sir.
Right. So correct answer is
सर एक छोटा है.
कौन सा?
सर नहीं सर.
नंबर बताओ.
सर 5 है सर, करेक्ट है.
ये वाला तो काउंट नहीं करना है, अपर लिमिट. और कहाँ छूटा है?
नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं छूटा है.
हाँ. So that is the correct answer is C. Right. Now 30th question, last question of today's session. Following data gives the number of children in 40 families. If it is represented in the form of a frequency distribution taking classes 0 to 2, okay, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, this is 2, 2 to 4, etc. Then find the frequency of the class 4 to 6. So 4 we can include, 6 we should not include. Okay. So let us start. 5 एक है यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. और कुछ छूट रहा है देखो.
No, sir.
Okay, so what is the correct answer?
Option C.
Option C. Right. So this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.